still drop, waiting for the world to finally stop. Gravity pulling the silver beats down, quietly washing the dusty old town. Steam on the glass and a foggy view. Everything out there is painted in blue. Soft focus shadows on the empty street. Rhythm of water is incredibly sweet. Looking through the glass window tonight, watching the city lose all its light. Pitter patter, a song from the sky, a beautiful rain-colored lullaby. Ink starts to run on a letter unsent, wondering where all the memories went. Cool air is breathing through a tiny crack. Never once thinking of looking back. Let it fall, let it wash away the heavy thoughts of a long yesterday. Quietly, gently, one drop at a time, turning the silence into a rhyme. Looking through the glass window tonight, watching the city lose all its light. Pitter patter, a song from the sky, a beautiful rain-colored lullaby.
Yellow dome against a gray sky. Don't even have to wonder why. Shoulder to shoulder, keeping it dry, watching the clouds go floating by, splashing in puddles like we were small. Doesn't really matter if we trip or fall. Raincoat rustle and a secret smile. I wanna walk for another mile under our yellow umbrella so bright. Everything is looking perfectly right. 1, 2, stepping in the rear mirror, erasing the winter and all of the pain. Distant thunder like a deep bass drum, waiting for the sunny days to come. But for now I love this rainy scene, freshest colors that I've ever seen. Close the distance, hold on tight, walking through the pearly white light. Even if the wind starts to blow, we have a place where we can go. Under our yellow umbrella so bright, everything is looking perfectly right. 1, 2, stepping in the rear mirror, erasing the winter and all of the pain.
Spinning around in a misty haze, lost in a beautiful watery maze. Silver threads falling from the high, connecting the earth and the heavy sky. Elegant ripples on the garden pond of the this magic I am truly fond. Every petal is holding a pearl, the most beautiful dream for a girl. It's a raincoat waltz, 1, 2, 3, dancing along with the willow tree, softly, gracefully feeling the flow, watching how the springs start to grow. Of the clouds and a velvet breeze whispering through the flowering trees. Time is a dancer in a rainy dress, finding the peace in this lovely mess. Light as a bubble, clear as a tear, everything's perfect while we are here. The rhythm of nature, the sound of the rain, healing the spirit and soothing the brain. It's a raincoat waltz, 1, 2, 3, dancing along with the willow tree, softly, gracefully feeling the flow, watching how the springs start to grow.
Dark rose scent in the humid air, finding the magic in the everywhere. Clouds are heavy like a weighted vest, giving the busy world a little rest. Staring at the steam as it starts to rise, seeing the wisdom in the stormy skies. The city is quiet, the traffic is slow, watching the neon reflections glow. Coffee and clouds, perfect blend, like a message from an old-time friend. Warmth in my hand and rain on the roof. Of all the beauty, here is the proof. Turning the pages of a half-read book, giving the shadows a second look. Safe in this bubble, safe in this light, everything's gonna be perfectly alright. No place to be, no one to meet, just the rhythm of the rainy street. Savor the bitter, savor the sweet, making the afternoon feel so complete. Feel so complete. Coffee and clouds, a perfect blend, like a message from an old-time friend. Warmth in my hand and rain on the roof. Of all the beauty, here is the proof.
The clouds are breaking, the light is coming through. Everything is looking so shiny and new. The scent of the earth the scent of the rain. I can feel the life in every single vein. Shake the water from the emerald leaves, watching how the nature finally breathes. A rainbow is hiding just around the bend. The rainy story has come to an end. After the shower, the world is so bright, walking towards the golden white light. Deepest green and the clearest blue, a fresh beginning for me and for you. Puddles are mirrors for the open sky, watching the birds as they learn how to fly. Every drop was a blessing in disguise. Open up our very own eyes. Fresh air, fresh start, let it begin. Lend the warmth and the healing in. The storm was a teacher, the rain was a song. This is where we truly belong. After the shower, the world is so bright, walking towards the golden white light. Deepest green and the clearest blue, a fresh beginning for me and for you. Another gray morning, the sky is feeling low. Watching all the people with nowhere to go. The rhythm of the raindrops on my window pane. Trying to find a reason to smile through the rain. I see your reflection in a puddle on the street, keeping up the tempo, keeping up the beat. Hold the handle tighter, let the world fade out. This is what a quiet love is all about. Be my shelter when the storm starts to rise. I can see the rainbow hiding in your eyes. Underneath the canvas, a world of our own, where the seeds of kindness are quietly sown. Wet pavement shining like a galaxy of stars, healing all the scratches, healing all the scars. Even if the wind blows and the lights go dim, I'll be the shore where you can always swim, yeah. Step by step we're walking in a dream, flowing like a silver, rainy mountain stream, yeah, yeah. Don't you worry about the thunder or the cold, we have a story that is yet to be told. Be my shelter when the storm starts to rise. I can see the rainbow hiding in your eyes. Underneath the canvas, a world of our own, where the seeds of kindness are quietly sown.
Fresh mint leaves in a ceramic white cup. The misty morning is finally waking up. Gray silk curtains hanging from the sky, watching the quiet world floating by. Everything is muffled, everything is still. Sunlight is hiding behind the green hill. A soft green fragrance in the humid clinging to the window frame, whispering a secret, calling my name. Safe in the kitchen, safe in the light, everything is feeling perfectly right. Slow down the clock, let the minutes wait. Enjoy the silence, it's never too late. Breathe in the herbal, breathe in the rain, soothing the spirit and calming the brain. Minty and mist, a cool and gentle kiss. In a busy world, I found a moment of bliss. Let the rain fall on the emerald leaves while the tired garden finally breathes. Shiny blue boots and a yellow raincoat, feeling like a captain on a little paper boat. 1, 2, 3, jumped into the ring. Can't you hear the way the raindrops sing? Splashing all the colors on the sidewalk gray, having such a wonderful watery day. Check the reflection, give a little wink. Life is much brighter than you might think. Puddle jump, hop, skipping through the lane, making a friend out of the April rain. Sparkle in the water, magic in the air. Happiness is happening everywhere. Distant laughter echoing through the park, chasing the light before it gets dark. Every little drop is a diamond in the sun. The rainy day party has only just begun. Turn around, give the world a spin. Let the joy and the laughter in. Don't be afraid to get a little wet. This is a day you'll never forget. Puddle jump, hop, skipping through the lane, making a friend out of the April rain. Sparkle in the water, magic in the air. Happiness is happening everywhere. Heavy walls will finally crash. I am the storm, I am the rain, breaking the silence and breaking the chain. Higher than the clouds, stronger than the tide, with nothing left to lose and nothing to hide. Let it pour, let the world see me now, making a silence and a holy vow. On the rainy rooftop, screaming to the wind, this is where the new me is about to begin. Wash away the doubt, wash away the fear. Everything I wanted is finally here. The clouds are getting thinner, turning into gray, finding a little hope at the end of the day. A silver lining on the edge of the blue, reminding me of something honest and true. Dew on the petals of a sleeping rose, the way that the quiet garden grows. The storm is past and the air is clear, leaving all the heavy things that we used to fear. Look for the silver lining in the sky. Don't you ever have to wonder why. After every rain, the sun will find a way to make it a beautiful golden day. Listen to the rhythm of the dripping eaves, the scent of the earth and the wet green leaves. A peaceful moment in a world so wide, keeping all the magic deep down inside. Dry your eyes, let the warmth come in. Let the new chapter finally begin. Every drop was a gift from above, telling a story of a resilient love. Look for the silver lining in the sky. Don't you ever have to wonder why. After every rain, the sun will find a way to make it a beautiful golden day.
Small droplets dancing on the window pane, washing away the dust and the winter stain. I'm palpitate in my hands, while the silver mist covers all the lands. Steam is rising, curling in the air, like a fading memory that's always there. A quiet cafe, a corner just for me. This is where I'm meant to be. Spring rain is falling with a sweet melody, like the first time you whispered a secret to me. My heart is fluttering in this blue afternoon, wishing that the flowers would blossom very soon. It's a soft rhythm, a peaceful kind of flow, watching the world starting to glow. I remember your umbrella, bright and yellow, the way you spoke, so kind and so mellow. We shared a look under the narrow roof. Our beating hearts were the only proof. Now the scent of beans and the rainy street make this lonely moment feel so bittersweet. Tracing the letters on the foggy glass, watching all the busy people pass. Spring rain is falling with a sweet melody, like the first time you whispered a secret to me. My heart is fluttering in this blue afternoon, wishing that the flowers would blossom very soon. It's a soft rhythm, a peaceful kind of flow, watching the world starting to glow. Time slows down when the clouds are gray, but I don't mind passing the time this way. The echoes of the past are calling out low in the rain. I let the old feelings go. Spring rain is falling with a sweet melody, like the first time you whispered a secret to me. My heart is fluttering in this blue afternoon, wishing that the flowers would blossom very soon. It's a soft rhythm, a peaceful kind of flow, watching the world starting to glow. Just a little bit of rain, softly falling again. Spring is in the air. The morning sun is peeking through the dusty blinds, leaving all the heavy worries far behind. I pick up my tools, the wood and the clay, ready to start a brand new creative day. There's a magic in the silence of this room, while the cherry blossoms outside start to bloom. Every little spark, every single thought turning into something that can't be bought. Sun-kissed moments in my favorite place, with a gentle smile upon the tired face. The rhythm of the work, the freedom in my soul, taking my time to reach my final goal. Oh, the breeze is warm, the light is gold, a beautiful story waiting to be told. The texture of the fabric, the color of the paint, the music in the background, soft and faint. I take a little break, a sip of iced tea, feeling the harmony inside of me. No need to rush, no need to compete, just making my own world feel complete. The shadows grow long on the workshop floor, but I'm finding what I'm looking for. Sun-kissed moments in my favorite place, with a gentle smile upon my tired face. The rhythm of the work, the freedom in my soul, taking my time to reach my final goal. Oh, the breeze is warm, the light is cold, a beautiful story waiting to be told. When the world gets loud and way too fast, I find a peace that's built to last. Right here in my hands, a simple grace in this quiet, sun-filled space. Sun-kissed moments in my favorite place, with a gentle smile upon my tired face. The rhythm of the work, the freedom in my soul, taking my time to reach my final goal. Oh, the breeze is warm, the light is gold, a beautiful story waiting to be told. Golden bright, everything's alright. In my workshop, in my workshop.
Listen to the rhythm on the rooftop tonight. Everything is hidden out of my sight. The world is sleeping under a gray veil, telling me a quiet, watery tale. The tea in my cup is starting to cool. Reflections are dancing in every pool. I don't need a reason to stay inside, with the rainy window as my guide. Raindrops on the pavement, a silver light, keeping me company through the night. No more rushing, no more chase, just the moisture on my face. It's a gentle healing, a soft embrace, finding my peace in this rainy space. The city lights are blurred like a dream, flowing along with the steady stream. I open the window just a little bit to feel the cool air and the magic of it. My thoughts are clearing, the air is so sweet. Watching the bubbles on the empty street, the heavy feelings are washed away, saving my strength for a brand new day.
No piano playing a familiar song, where the notes of spring have always belonged. One by one the memories fall, like the shadows dancing on the wall. It's a timeless beauty, a classic grace, etched upon every corner of this place. The melody repeats like a steady heart, giving this moment a brand new start. Falling like raindrops one by one, under the clouds waiting for the sun. The ghost of Chopin is in the air, a touch of elegance everywhere. It's a masterpiece written in the breeze, bringing my soul to a perfect ease. Raindrops, falling raindrops, between the black and the white of the keys, I find the answers to my mysteries. A little bit of sorrow, a lot of hope, giving me the strength and the room to cope. The strings are swelling like a rising tide, with nowhere left for the truth to hide. In this restaurant under the dim light, everything feels so incredibly right. The rhythm of the rain, the rhythm of the past, a beauty that was always meant to last. Drip, drop, drip, drop, falling like raindrops one by one, under the clouds waiting for the sun. The ghost of Chopin is in the air, a touch of elegance everywhere. It's a masterpiece written in the breeze, bringing my soul to a perfect ease. Raindrops, falling classic spring, timeless thing. Raindrops.
Maybe I'm dreaming, maybe I'm not, but this is the only peaceful spot I've got. The clock on the wall is ticking so slow, while the afternoon sun begins to glow. I'm leaning back with my eyes halfway closed, in a state of mind that nobody knows. The world is spinning outside the door, but I don't wanna run anymore. Don't wake me up from this blue afternoon. The weekend is coming, but not too soon. A little bit of jazz, a little bit of tea, that's all the magic that I really need. It's a hazy feeling, a smoky vibration, the perfect kind of relaxation. I hear the murmur of the street below, watching the cars and the people go. Your voice is a memory, soft and low, like a record playing from long ago. The dust is dancing in a beam of light, everything's gonna be just fine tonight. No need for words, no need for a plan, just catching the peace whenever I can. The shadows are stretching across the floor. I'm not looking for anything more, just this moment, just this sound. Don't wake me up from this blue afternoon. The weekend is coming, but not too soon. A little bit of jazz, a little bit of tea, that's all the magic that I really need. It's a hazy feeling, a smoky vibration, the perfect kind of relaxation. Blue afternoon, so blue, just me and you. The sky's crying again, but I'm just smiling here. Your voice in my head is starting to appear. I'm drawing your name on the foggy glass, watching the memories slowly pass. Yeah, I'm okay, maybe I'm not. The coffee is cold, but the heart is still hot. The rhythm of the rain is a beat for my soul. Losing my focus, losing control. On a rainy day like this, I think of you. Every little thing that we used to do, it's a bittersweet melody, a rainy letter. Wishing that the weather would get a little better, but I love this feeling, this hazy gray. Thinking of you in a special way. I'm walking outside without an umbrella, like a scene from a movie, a lucky fella. Wait, I'm a girl in a lonely world, with my hair and my feelings all softly curled. Yeah, the scent of the earth, the sound of the street. Everything's messy, but everything's sweet. I'm humming the song that we love to sing, waiting for the magic that the rain might bring. Drip, drop, the beat doesn't stop. I'm climbing the feelings all the way to the top. Is it love? Is it just the rain? A beautiful kind of a soft, sweet pain. Yeah, I'm calling your name in the mist, remembering the first time that we kissed. And a rainy thing that we used to do, it's a bittersweet melody, a rainy letter. Wishing that the weather would get a little better, but I love this feeling, this hazy gray. Thinking of you in a special way. Rainy day, rainy letter to you, still waiting. A mountain of papers, a glowing screen, but my mind is drifting to a different scene. Outside the window, the rain is falling light, making the city look soft and bright. I take a deep breath and I close my eyes, dreaming of walking under misty skies. The tapping on the glass is a lullaby, while the busy morning is passing by. Spring is ringing like a silver chime. The rain is splashing on the restaurant door. I've never felt this kind of magic before. I hear the bell ring, I see your shadow walking through the mist from the street below. You look so different, you look so fine. Even with the raindrops, you're truly mine. This is the moment, this is the night. Everything is perfect, everything is right. The first day jitters, the rain in the dark, shining like a diamond, creating a spark. I'm falling for you all over again. The sweetest story that has ever been. We're talking about things that don't really matter, while the rain on the roof begins to chatter. I'm watching your hands, I'm watching your lips. The world is tilting, the world is in eclipse. The taste of the food, the scent of the air, rainy romance that we both share. Don't want this evening to ever end. My lover, my soulmate, my very best friend. Time, please move a little slower tonight. Keep us forever in the silver light. I've been waiting so long for the spring to arrive. The rain makes me feel so incredibly This is the moment, this is the night. Everything is perfect, everything is right. The first day jitters, the rain in the dark, shining like a diamond, creating a spark. In the spring rain, so beautiful. The city is sleeping, the moon is hidden by the rain that came, soft and unbidden. I'm alone in my workshop, the tools are ready. The sound of the water is keeping me steady. The shadows are long on the brick walls, I'm answering whenever the muse calls, creating a world that only I see, with the rhythm of the rain as my company. Moonlight rain, a quiet soul, making the broken pieces feel whole. No rush, no noise, just a drip and the drop in this creative flow that will never stop. It's a peaceful night, a watery dream, flowing along with the midnight stream. The smell of the oil, the feel of the stone. I'm never unhappy when I'm all alone. The rain is dancing on the skylight above, helping me build the things that I love. I'm building a bridge to a place far away where the sun never rises to start the day. Just me and my craft, a perfect pair, with the scent of the rain in the midnight air. in this quiet space and let the silver mist cover my face. The world is muffled, everything is slow. Watching the little puddles start to grow. The wind is a whisper, a gentle caress, clearing the clutter and all of the mess. A little rainy nap, a moment of gold, a story of peace that's never been told. My head is nodding, my heart is light. Everything's gonna be perfectly alright. Dreaming of spring and dreaming of bees under the sound of the rainy trees. I don't need a pillow, I don't need a bed with the tapping of rain inside of my head. The scent of the earth is so fresh and so sweet. I'm kicking the shoes off my tired feet. Maybe I'll stay here for an hour or two, watching the gray turn a deeper blue. This is the luxury, this is the price. Opening my soul and closing my eyes. No phone, no mail, no to-do list. Just the simple joy that I almost missed in the middle of the rain. No phone, no mail, no to-do list. Just a simple joy that I almost missed in the middle of the rain. Sweet dreams.